Hello everyone, and welcome to this series on automating your procurement process. In this video, we'll look at how to create a purchase order in SAP Business ByDesign. Let's switch over to the system to see how this is done. I'm currently logged into the system. There are different ways to create a purchase order on the system. You can either create a purchase order based on existing purchase request on the system. You can also create a purchase order from scratch where it's not based on any document, or a purchase order can be created based on an RFQ and also based on your configuration. Now, to create a purchase order based on existing purchase request, you navigate to the purchase request and orders work center and click purchase request view. Now you click on the drop down and select all purchase requests. To create a purchase order based on the purchase request, first you select the purchase request as this is selected, and then you click new purchase order. The other option is to do a bundle and order. A bundle and order is useful when you want to group different purchase requests into one, and it can be done based on the supplier, the delivery date, based on supplier delivery date and ship to, or based on supplier delivery date and recipient. So we'll do a bundle and order based on the supplier. So first you select all the purchase requests that you want to bundle together and select the bundle and order by supplier. Now once you do that, you can view all the purchase requests that will be contained in this purchase order, and then you can either remove from the bundle at this point, or if everything is fine. So once all is fine, we click order. And then we can see that our purchase order has been created and submitted for approval. Now to view the purchase order, we navigate to the purchase request and order work center and click on the purchase order view. From here we can filter by the purchase order ID. So we can see our purchase order that has been created. We can also see the items that were copied into the purchase order. Now the other option is to create a new purchase order from scratch. To do that, you click new purchase order. You can create it directly from the system, or you can create it using the Microsoft Excel templates, so that when you click on import from Excel, first a template will be downloaded, and then you can open the templates, populate the information and log in and save it directly to the system. For you to use the template, a prerequisite is that you must have installed the SAP add-in for Microsoft Excel. Okay, so this is the template, so you can populate it, fill in the information, and then save it directly from Microsoft Excel. So to create a new one on the system, you click new purchase order, and then you populate the screen with the required information. Fill in the company, the supplier, the purchasing unit. Now you can see the currency and the payment terms, which were updated from the supplier master data, but then we can also change it if it deviates from the default. And then in the item row, we put in the item information of the item to be procured. We'll put in the quantity of the item that we are procuring, as well as the unit price. And once all is done, click check to ensure that all the mandatory fields have been populated. We should get a message with a green icon saying that purchase order contains no errors, and then we click order. Now you can see that our purchase order has been created on the system. And then we can view all to have an extended view of the purchase order. If there was an approval process on the system, you would also see the approval information here. Thank you very much for your time. To find out more, kindly visit our website www.digitankng.com or send a mail to engage@digitankng.com. Think ERP, think Digitank.